Hey y'all, so it is cold in my house. Let's see. No name. Got a wig cap. But this is the wig right here. I'm gonna put it down below when I edit, cause I really did open this up and don't even know where I got this wig from. But here goes my handy dandy wig stand. Hold on, y'all. I'm feeding my dog. Come on, Prada. Come on, princess. Okay. So anyway, pretty much I am just going to fix this wig because it's looking real grandma. Even on the pictures that I've seen on the profile, even in the reviews, like I just did not like the way this wig looked. But this is the wig right here. This is a 10-inch. Now I'm not gonna lie, I actually just handmade this wig right here, and I used prime something. All the stuff will be in the description below, but I was expecting this wig to come out this color, because that's what color it looked on the freaking video, but apparently it came burgundy. So it's still a nice burgundy, but I did not expect this color. See, y'all, let me fix this. So just from grabbing the wig out the pack, I do like it because it seems pretty full. Most of the wigs and stuff that I get from Amazon, they're like really, really thin. So we're about to bring this wig back to life. So I'm gonna just put this on my mannequin head. And I know y'all see my purses and stuff in the back. So if y'all looking for purses, if y'all looking for lashes, I got it all. Why is it so tight? Oh. Let me take these little bands off. So it has the adjustable straps in the back too. Okay, so I know my mannequin here ain't that big. Yeah, we gotta bring this baby back to life. Okay, so let's get my handy dandy comb. I'm gonna comb her down. And it says 10-inch, but it definitely looks way shorter than that. And I'm gonna pull this back down. Make sure this is the bulk of the wig. Where my little pins at? And I'm using my T-pins to keep it. I'm using my T-pins to keep it tacked down. Okay, so it looks a little bit longer. So I'm just going to position it because now my bangs look lopsided. So yeah, the wig is kind of lopsided, but I'm just about to straighten this out right quick. I don't care how bad I'm hurt. I do not be wanting to get in that fucking ambulance because I know they gonna hit your ass.
And that's what I told them. I was like, y'all, please, I will drive. They said, how? I said, well, it's the left hip hurt. I drive my right foot. They said, but you can't even walk to your car. Fuck. They checked me out. And they said, it do look like your thing is infected.
Oh, shit.
Now I gotta have another surgery in February. I'm over it. Tired of being a woman. Tired of being a woman. No, I'm just tired because, like, you're 24. Why the fuck I gotta have 2 hip surgeries?
It's part of your journey.
I'm trying to tell you. I just hope it's like.